Now, functions. What do you mean by functions? Functions is a block of code. When we try to pass one data, it will get a result onto the other form. How it will get a result onto the other form? How we basically try to create a functions. We'll see practically now. Okay, creating a function means any name I can give. Define any function name. Print Zishan is my name. Okay, if I wanted to put last, you see the. Let me show you the example now. Practically, with a very clear idea now. Okay, functions example. Okay, now I am going here right now. You see here. Define my function. Print Zishan is my name. My function. See, I can give anything here, or else I can give like this. I don't have to give it like this also. I can give mzf. Okay, or also I can give like this. I don't have to put my function like this mzf. And I wanted to execute, you just let me know whether this is getting executed or not. Zishan is my name. I am putting what? Defining mzf, print Zishan is my name, and here the last I am executing this one. Zishan is my name. I got the output. I can give any name. Whatever, but the thing is that you have to put define, then space, then whatever you are defining in that one, same value we have to call. That means printing value, whatever we have defined here, it will same call that same value. Okay. Now we'll see example number 2 of function. Okay. Example number 2 of function here. Define my function fname Faro. Okay, my function Hamid, this is my like father name, this is my name, this is my son name, this is my father brother name. Okay, for example, first name, okay, first name all I have defined here. Okay, first name all, whatever was the first name, I have completely defined the first name here. Okay, last name is always Farooq, that I have to execute with all of them. Okay, I can, let's just do a simple way. I am putting here M Z. Okay, and we have to do it like this. Okay, program is simple, right? M Z. Here also I am putting M Z. Okay, here also I am putting here what we have M Z. Okay, and here also I am putting here what we have M Z. Now when I try to execute the same program here, you see the option what happening. Father name, last name came. Okay, my name, last name came. My son name, last name came. My father brother name, last name came. Any questions still here now? Any questions? Inder Khan, Sridhar, Arvind, and all. Any questions still here now?
No, sir. Clear.
Now,
Got it.
after this one, this is the example number. What exactly we saw? Example number 3 of functions we see here now. F name, last name. First name I am putting here, last name. Whatever the first name I am putting here, that I am inserting here. Let's just take for example your name. Okay, Arvind, what is your name? Full name? Arvind space. What is your full name?
Ramesh.
Ramesh. Okay, Arvind Ramesh. Okay, and Sridhar, what is your name? Sridhar full name? Sridhar.
Sridhar, that's it.
That's it. No,
Yeah.
any kind of last name.
P. Podili. Podili.
Okay, let's just put it P now. Okay. Now when I try to execute this one, you see the output here. What is happening? All of this came now. Nishan Farooq, Arvind Ramesh, and Sridhar. Okay. That means whatever we are defining in a function, the first name and the last name, that same value, whatever we are putting in the function, that same value will get automatically printed. Okay, now we'll see one more example. You get a one more clear idea now. This is the, I think the example number 3 is very easy. Example number 4 we are going here now. Now you see. Defining function. Student. I want to get student number 2 from the list. 0, 1, 2. I am trying to execute this one. I want to get the student number 2. Student R. What I just put it here. I didn't put any student name, but student number 2. That means I'm applying what here? I'm applying the concept of list inside what? A function. Are you getting now? List we saw, right? List collection we saw. We are applying the concept of list inside the function. Any questions still here now? All of them. Any questions?
No, sir.
Anyone? Any questions? No. Arvind, Sridhar. Anyone
No, sir.
speak? Any questions?
No,
Fine,
no.
right. Now, one more last example for the function here. One more last example we'll see for the function here. Define greet, hello, good morning, good night, and we are trying to get the function of this one greet. When I try to get this one here, hello, good morning, night. I want to get all these one in the command prompt. I think Suchitra and them they have not said how we execute the program in the command prompt. I am going where I save this file. I am going to D colon. Okay, inside the D I have put NAZ. Okay, remember when I was discussing about the chapter called mobile security, in that one I have discussed very clearly, right, how we try to execute the Python program. Okay, dir. Okay, now inside that one, what exactly is cd space function, right? Function is the directory. Okay, inside that function only we have, okay, now dir, inside that one we have what? Example number, which one we are doing? Function greet.py. Okay, so Python space, what was that? What was that? Function dot funcpion function greet dot py, right? Py. You see, hello, good night, good morning. This